Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening of my WatchGang Black membership watch for December. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my cccp Alpha Diver 200. This is actually the watch I received for my WatchGang Black membership in November. Haven't decided if this one is a keeper yet. It's not quite my style, but stay tuned for a follow-up on this one at some point. Now, if you're not familiar with WatchGang, it is a monthly subscription company where you pay a fee, you get a watch. There's 3 tiers. There's the original tier, which is $75, the black tier, which is $149, and the platinum tier, which is $399. Now, WatchGang does run some different promos. I think right now you can get 50% off maybe your first month. So it might be worth signing up. If you're interested in signing up, make sure you click my link below to WatchGang. I think it gets you some wheel spin points and me some wheel spin points, which help keep the channel going. Also, there's promo codes and discount codes for other watches. And if you're into old cars, make sure you click the link and check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. All right, we got some scan and save codes. And let's see what's in the box. Pretty light box this month. Looks like I've got a herder. I've had a few watches from them in the past. I don't know how many I still have because I do sell off some of my watches from time to time. Now, I like the skeletonized dial on this one. It's pretty cool looking. Let's go ahead and take it off the pillow. I don't know if it had the model. There we go. We got a HER HS2601 herder automatic. So pretty nice. The last 2 or 3 months I've actually gotten automatics on the black tier level. Now I'm grandfathered in because I've been a member so long that my black tier is $99. So I look at these watches at the $99 price point. You guys might be looking at, if you're just signing up, the $150 price point. There we got the movement. Looks like a Seiko NH35. So sometimes it's actually very hard to see that small writing from behind the camera. So that one actually is a Miyota movement, not a Seiko movement. So I'll have to do a little bit more research to find out exactly which movement that is. For some reason, the rotor just at a glance reminded me of the NH35. So it's got kind of this watch right here actually has kind of a standard case design, nothing too crazy. We got herder on the buckle, fairly nice feeling leather strap. Now I do dig the kind of skeletonized dial there. It's not fully skeletonized, but it has a pretty cool look. Let me go ahead and pull off the watch I've got on and throw this one on wrist to get a look at how it looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. So it looks like I've got a few holes available. If you had a little bit bigger wrist than mine, this one would probably work out for you. And there we go. That's how this one looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. I'm digging the vibe on this one. I like the dial. I mean, it's easy enough to read and tell the time, but there's enough going on that makes it interesting. Now, I'll have to wear this one like usual and get my true opinion on it. But let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.